Hello, namaste. Welcome. In this episode, I am going to explain the power of patience. In this scale hub development, we are bringing a very powerful self-development training programs for you. So let me to start with a small story. Once a young man who was very eager to be successful in life, and he approached a monk. Master, please give me some advice on how to achieve a successful in life. I have been trying so many years. I have tried many things, but nothing seems to work. Please give me some guidance. So the monk observed that man and was very restless and impatient. He realized that man's impatience was the reason for his lack of success. So the monk who guiding to this young boy, he said, dear friends, to achieve anything in your life, you need to have a patience. Patience is a very powerful habit. It's a virtue that you can develop in your life. Let me to illustrate a importance to what is the patience, and I'm going to give you some story. Once there was a king who got lost while traveling alone in a forest while battling. So at night started to fall. He looked around from a hilltop, but nothing he can see the near any village or any person. After some time, he noticed the light shining from a distance. He started walking towards the light and eventually reached a small hut where he found a old lady who was cleaning up a hut. Seeing him, that lady, she might be thought that he is a soldier of this country. So thinking of that, he was a soldier, and then she made some food and asked to have a sleep this night. So the king was very hungry. So she gave him a plate of hot rice and curry. The king was so hungry that he quickly grabbed the hot food and started eating, which burnt his fingers and he spilled some rice on the floor. The old woman observed that this and said, "You are impatient like our king. So you have burnt your fingers and lost some food." This king was very puzzled and asked, "Why do you say that our king is impatient?" So the old lady explained, "Our king has ambitions of conquering all the large enemy forts, but he is ignoring all the small ones and our soldiers." The king interrupted and asked, "What's wrong with that?" She smiled and said, "The king's haste to defeat the enemies, he caused himself to lose many soldiers of his army, due to which he lost his strength and confidence in their soldiers. Just like your haste has caused to burn your fingers. If you have eaten when it cools the food and you would have been eaten slowly and patiently, you would have not burned your fingers and spoiled your food. So similarly, the king should focus on the small forts to conquer his power so that he can capture the large forts without losing his soldiers in the army. The king understood his mistakes and recognized that no, his patience and avoid the haste in any situation in a very important situations. So after finishing the story, the monk turned to the man and asked, "Do you understand the importance of patience?" Patience is very important in our life. If you want to be unsuccessful, okay, so if you saw a mango seed in your garden, you cannot hope to get mangoes from the next few weeks. It will take some times. You will have to look after a plant regularly, pouring a water with patiently. You have to wait for a period of time. After some few years, the plant will give you the good quality of mangoes, and you can have the better meant for your life, and you can sell those mangoes, and you can become unsuccessful to earn the lot of money. You need to have a patience to produce a good quality of products, as well as to practice makes a man perfect. That's a very powerful this slogan. So that's on that note. So you have to start practicing it regularly about the patience whenever the time comes, so that you can achieve success in your life. Dear friends, I hope you got the message from this particular story and how to be powerful by having this patience quality in you to achieve anything in your life. Dear friends, do like and subscribe our channel and forward to your friends. Also, if you want career guidance, please visit our website parametricsolution.com and get the many different career development courses like CAD, CAM, CNC, HVC, MEP, engineering designing, as well as life coaching, business coaching. So you can meet us at any time during the official work. So thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much.